What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with another German convertible. We got another C63 AMG Cabriolet, and we're here to see how the interior does. Stay tuned. Alright, let's get in here. Definitely looks nice. Mercedes knows how to make a good looking interior, that's for sure. Although I did notice this car is quite expensive. Comes with heated seats and cooled seats, but no heated steering wheel. I know you can get it. Mercedes makes you pay extra for it, but that's a shame. Just a little nitpicky thing. Let's get on with the test. Alright, now it's time for the button test. And now for the final button. Just in case you guys are curious, there's the miles. All right, how did it do? Wow, surprisingly, this car did not squeak nearly as much as I thought it would. I was expecting it to be a complete dumpster fire, like some of the other C classes I've done in the past, AMG or not. But not this one. It did squeak, granted, but the center console here was the weakest point on some of those other cars. This one actually wasn't too bad. I'm shocked in a way. Some of the stuff up here is squeaky. The door is actually not too bad. There's a bit of squeakage over here. This is a little squeaky, but not horrible. I guess the parts that did squeak were like they were a bit louder. So fit and finish wise, I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10, which I was not expecting for this car, to be honest. Things are improving at Mercedes-Benz. As far as materials go, I've talked about the C-Class interiors, at least this generation of C-Class. I think it's W205, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. Convertibles probably have a different model code. But I've talked about how beautiful the design is on these Mercedes interiors. They actually look really good to my eye. Whoever designed them, great job, keep it up. But then when you actually touch stuff, it's not so nice. Like these vents, they look beautiful, but I know they're squeaky and I know they're plastic. Same with this kind of trim around here. That's actually plastic underneath, even though it looks like aluminum. It's not. It's actually quite cheap when you start really touching stuff. I am liking this wood though, the exposed grain wood. I'm not even sure if that's real wood or not, to be honest, but it still feels good. I'm not going to say it doesn't. Some of the buttons, the surface of the buttons actually don't feel too bad, but when you click on them, they're kind of cheap feeling. These buttons up here, I love the sort of the knurling effect. That took a little bit of a playbook out of Bentley. They feel good to the touch, but when you press them, there's a little bit left to be desired. Window switch buttons, same deal. They look great, but they just don't have substance like I would expect. That's all right, I guess. Otherwise, there's no really bad materials. The soft touch is decent because this is AMG. We have premium leather in some places. We got Alcantara and others. I wish they could have done an Alcantara sun visor in here, but we're left with typical plastic. Oh well. All the upper parts here are soft touch. This is also soft touch. Not bad, actually. I do like that the armrest is real premium soft leather. That's a good little detail there that they got right. The seats are that same premium leather, and we got a couple of Alcantara inserts in the seat. So good seats. And then I already talked about the sun visor. So material is not too bad. I am liking the paddle shifters. They do feel pretty good to the touch. So I'll give it a 7 out of 10 for materials. A bit better than average. So there you guys have it. Here's the final score. 6 out of 10 for fit and finish. 7 out of 10 for materials. Overall, not bad. There's a little bit left to be desired, but getting a little better. Interesting car to drive. The suspension is really stiff. So if you're buying this car to have a nice, comfortable Mercedes convertible, don't buy this one. Just buy a normal C-Class or buy something else, because this car does have a pretty stiff ride. Part of that's probably due to the summer-only tires, but if you plan on taking this car out to the track, those tires will do better for you. So this is a really sporty car. I don't know if I'd actually buy one that's rear-wheel drive. I live in an area that it's quite a bit of snow, and all-wheel drive is a must. If you live where I live, if you're in Florida or something, then you know, who cares? Anyway, I'm rambling on. But yeah, that's my score. Decent car Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to catch you next time. Stay tuned. Peace.